Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here for Shutterbug Magazine, and I've got a tip for you guys who are just getting into landscape photography. I get a lot of questions from people that say, so where do I put the horizon line in my landscape? Well, I've got a tip for you that'll help you to get better compositions. And it's gonna sound really, really simple, but it's really effective. What it is this: when we're standing there, we're getting ready to compose the shot. You're gonna look at the scene and you're gonna decide which looks more interesting, the foreground or the sky. So if the foreground looks really interesting, and let's say that your sky's kind of boring, we're gonna show as little of that sky as possible. We're gonna do 2/3 foreground, what's in front of you, the lake, the water, the mountains, the stream, whatever, and only 1/3 of the sky. We're gonna kind of minimize the part that looks boring, maximize the part that looks great. On the flip side of this, if you've got a situation where you've got amazing clouds, and for landscape photography, that's killer because it holds, number one, they're beautiful, clouds are beautiful, but it holds color and it makes the image so much more interesting. A bald sky is kind of one of those 7 deadly sins of landscape photography. So if you're in this situation where you've got a beautiful sky and the sky is more interesting than the foreground, then we're going to compose to where our horizon line is very low. The bottom third of the photo is the foreground and we're really going to accentuate the sky. So the tip is really this: your horizon line goes where it is going to maximize the most important part of your photo. All right, keep that in mind. The foreground looks good, the horizon line goes at least at the top third. If the sky's awesome, put the horizon line at the bottom third. Just use those couple little tips, will make a big difference in your composition when it comes to landscape photography. It's an easy one to remember too. Hey, by the way, if you're into landscape photography, and I know you are because you just watched a landscape photography tip, I've got an entire class on composition. Now, it's called Crush the Composition. It's a class that I did under the stars in front of a live audience. It's been watched over 250,000 times. And I've heard from viewers all over the world about how it's helped them with their photography. You can go watch it for free, the entire course right now. Go to kelby1.com. Sign up for a free membership. It's completely free. You don't have to give your credit card. You're just sign up and you're in. And go watch my class. It's called Crush the Composition. I think it will make a huge difference. You'll see instant results and your photos are going to look more awesome. Also, make sure you check out my column in Shutterbug Magazine. It's called Ask a Pro. Thanks everybody, and we'll catch you next time.